So we have a pretty high probability trading scenario here. Firstly, on the daily, we anticipated the next week to go lower. That was because we tapped into this daily fair value gap at Tuesday, anticipating this as a high that we're putting in a C2. So this, from our bias, we assume this is a protected high, and nothing should go higher than that. We also have a drawn liquidity down here, and we're also in a bearish trend. So looking at the 4 hour, we see that before the London session started, we have a C2. So that, and then this candle was in the process of making itself. So we assume this is a protected high, noting that this was a protected high as well. So we have this protected high with a 4-hour C2 to confirm that. We don't have a CISD yet on the 4-hour, but if we look down on the 1-hour with that C2 that form, we can see a change in the state of delivery as the 4-hour candle was being made in the 1-hour. So that confirms that this was a protected high at the 2100 Tuesday candle, the overnight candle. So this is protected high, CISD. Now we're looking for any 1-hour C2 to form. We see that after going into the session, we see that at 5 a.m. we create a C2 right here inside a POI of a 1-hour fair value gap. From there, we assume this is protected high, and we can look for a lower time frame entry with this as our stop loss. Now going down to the lower time frame, I believe it was made here somewhere. What time was that candle? That candle was at 5 a.m. So yes, so that protected high is over here. So that's where our stop loss is. We look for a change in state of delivery, which we get right here. We put our market order here, aim for 2R. We don't have a lot of liquidity to aim for. We only have this, but we anticipate this to be a very big expansion day, with the fact that we have protected highs. This isn't a very big wick. It sort of respects the upper half of that wick as well. And this is what I took. So yeah, just recapping, we have, this is what I got to look for. The C2s on the higher time frame, daily time frame, with the narrative of Tuesday being the high of the week, with the protected, and fractaling that down to the 4-hour, this to be a protected high as well. We also have this as a protected high. We only have, I know we don't have a CISD there, but we can confirm one on the lower time frame, confirming this is protected high, but we can't trade just off that. We need a 1-hour time frame, otherwise we have a massive stop loss. So we wait for the 1-hour C2 to form, and then we take an entry down. So the first draw on liquidity was hit. The second one looks like it probably will be hit, so that could effectively have been a 1 to 4.7R, which is why it's worth being patient for these setups.